Hi everyone, welcome to Aksharanidhi Biology classes. In previous class, we studied about the diagram of an animal cell, and also we studied about protoplasm and deutoplasm. In today's class, we will study about plasma membrane. The cell is bounded by a lipoprotein membrane which is selectively permeable. The cell which is bounded or which is surrounded by a layer, and that layer is made up of two substances. One is lipid and another one is protein. Togetherly, lipid and protein known as lipoprotein. That means plasma membrane. It is a cover that is made up of using two substances. One is lipid and another one is protein. And this plasma membrane, it is permeable membrane. Permeable means this membrane permits or allows the gas molecules or liquid molecules to pass through it, and it is selectively permeable. That means it is not permeable or it does not permits all the molecules. It is very selective. And in some of the specialized cells like nerve cells, it is responsible for the conduction of impulses, that is excitation. Firstly, the nerve cells, these are present in the brain. The brain, it has got the millions of nerve cells, and in the nerve cells, the plasma membrane, it is mainly responsible for the transfer of impulses. Impulses, it is nothing but excitation. That means suddenly doing something without thinking, that is called as impulses. And such kind of impulses, they are transferred in nerve cells, and those impulses, they are mainly done by plasma membrane. The plasma membrane together cell cement forms the cell membrane. The structure of plasma membrane, which is visible under the light microscope, we can observe the plasma membrane in the light microscope. And in plant cells, the cell membrane, it is surrounded by a cell wall. In today's class, we studied about the plasma membrane. Okay, this is the cell, and this cell is surrounded by a membrane. This membrane is called as plasma membrane, and this plasma membrane, it is made up of two substances. One is lipid and another one is protein. That's why it is called as lipoprotein, and it is selectively permeable. That means this membrane does not allows all the particles or all the molecules. It can allows only selective molecules, that may be liquid molecules or that may be gas molecules across it. And it is also responsible for the transfer of impulses, transfer of sudden doing something without thinking, such kind of electrical signals, these are done by the plasma membrane in nerve cells. The cell cement plus plasma membrane, it forms the cell membrane. In all the animal cells, the cell membrane is present, whereas the cell wall is absent. Whereas in plant cells, the cell membrane, it is again surrounded by a cell wall. Thank you all. I hope everyone understand this. Thank you.